Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with CJ Affiliate to bank account detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from CJ Affiliate to your bank account, start by logging into your CJ Affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard and look for the Reports tab. Select Payment History to view your earnings and payment status. Ensure you have reached the minimum payout threshold set by CJ Affiliate. Next, move to the Account Settings section. Here, find and click on Payment Information. You may need to enter your bank account details if you haven't done so previously. Make sure your bank details are accurate to avoid issues with the transfer. Once your bank account is linked, return to the dashboard. Select Payment from the navigation menu. Check if you have any pending payments available for withdrawal. If there are available earnings to withdraw, click on the Withdrawal option. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, in this case, bank transfer. Confirm your selection and review any fees associated with the withdrawal method. After reviewing, confirm your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal. Keep in mind that processing times may vary based on the bank and location. Once the process is complete, you'll receive your funds directly in your bank account. Always check back to the payment history to track the status of your withdrawal. This ensures you know when to expect your funds to arrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.